Hello everyone and happy Halloween. This month's update is going to be killer, literally. But in all seriousness, we're not talking about business cards or mergers today. We're going to be talking about Duramax parts. So let's get into it. Let's start off with some new products. We've got the new Dirt King 2.5 series shocks and billet upper control arms. This is going to be a great upgrade for your off-road trucks. This is going to be for 2011 to 2025 LML and L5P Duramax trucks. It's going to also have the billet control arms, which is going to be for the half-ton crowd. These are going to be premium suspension upgrades that are going to be able to handle serious off-road abuse and maintaining great ride quality on the street. Next up is CST's all-new 3-inch lift kit for the AT4X and ZR2 crowd. Those of you who have that awesome DSSV suspension and don't want to take it off, but you want to lift your truck and get that additional ride height or fit larger wheels and tires, this is going to be the kit for you. We've also added an Opti-Lube XPD Blend 6-pack. This is going to come in convenient little bottles that's going to fit for each individual dose. So you're not going to have to mess around measuring or guessing. We also added hardware kits for your 01 to 10 Duramax steering boxes. So if you want to replace that old crusty hardware, this is going to be the kit for you. We've also added Dorman injector fuel return lines. This is going to be for your 2004.5 to 2010 LLY, LBZ, and LMM. Dorman has stepped up with both the passenger and driver's side fuel injector return light assemblies for all those trucks. This can be a direct fit replacement for that common failure point on those models. We've also added the oil level sensor. This is for your 01 to 16 Duramax trucks. It's going to be that one that goes into the side of your pan. So while you're upgrading your pan, this is a great time to make sure you have a fresh O-ring and a fresh sensor to make sure you have no issues down the road. We've added the LM2 and LZ0 3-liter Duramax fuel injector harness and individual injectors. So now you guys, if you have one that's bad, you can replace one at a time, not having to buy all 6. We've also added that injector harness, and that's going to be a good replacement because we have seen these go bad actually. One of our trucks did have an issue, started having a fuel knock on the highway, and so it's a pretty significant issue that we want to make sure is fixed, and we want to get the right parts to you guys. We've also updated the Kryptonite Reservoir mounts. They came out with a new fitment for the Bilstein Reservoir shocks, so if you guys want to run that fancy Kryptonite Reservoir mount, that's not going to hide the logo or the brand or anything. These are the highest quality mounts on the market. So if you have Bilstein shocks, you want to upgrade from that hose clamp, Kryptonite's the way to go. And we've got some news coming. The BD Diesel Screamer turbos are now CARB legal. This is a big deal. This means the 04.5 to 10 guys can go ahead and get your truck smogged with an upgraded turbo. It's going to be more power, more reliability, and no compliance headaches. SEMA is right around the corner. It's next week. So DmaxStore is going to be out there with our full media team, and we want to see all of the Duramaxes that have any DmaxStore parts on them. So if you've got a Duramax out at SEMA, we want to highlight it, we want to feature it, we want to show the people your Duramax. So go ahead and let us know down in the comments if you or one of your buddies' trucks is going to be out at SEMA this year. Is an Allison even still an Allison? Well, according to GM, they have to stop labeling their trucks in 2026 as Allison models. So no more Allison transmissions on the 10 speeds. Yes, the previous ones did say that, but this might not be up to par. So going forward, no more Allison branding on these trucks. And that wraps up our November update. With all the new products we've added are live right now on DmaxStore.com. So if you're looking to keep your Duramax on the road or upgrade it, go ahead and head to DmaxStore.com or contact our sales team, as we almost all drive Duramax trucks. So I want to make sure that we can get you guys taken care of right the first time. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Hello? Yeah, getting rid of it right now.